The Zanzibar gem. An absolutely beautiful plant, just perfect for indoors and outdoors and everywhere else. And well, unfortunately for this plant, it's in my walkway and I've walked past it and I've snapped the branch off here. Now that's never a good thing, but I'm going to use it to my advantage. What I plan to do is see if I can regrow that broken branch and some of the leaves, and well, let's see if I can get some more plants out of this one broken branch. I'm using this as a positive thing and to my advantage, because I'd love some more of these Zanzibar gems, because I really like them. So, well, let's take it out of here first and get a better look at this branch. Now I could possibly try and wire it back up. That could work, but I'm not going to bother. What I'll do is I'll take this whole branch right off. So I'll find the bottom of this branch here, and what I'll do is I'll just cut it right off at the base, because that'll make this plant look a lot more aesthetically pleasing. That'll be better than having a half dead broken branch sticking up. So in my experimental room that I've got here, what I'll do is I'll get this, I'll give it a nice clean cut here, and what I'll do is I'll take these branches off right at the base and use my fingernails for that. I'll try cutting this one, and then I'll stick this in the glass here, and then with the remaining leaves on here I'll just snip these off really close to the base. So that's left me with this one here and 4 leaves. And you know what? This other bit of broken branch, I might even see if anything happens with that. So I'll stick those there. Let me add some water to this. Now for these other leaves, I've just got myself a small dish. This is just an old dip bucket, which I save for these sorts of things. I'll put some water in there, and let's stand these leaves up in here. And let's follow the progress of this experiment over the next few weeks. Right, so these leaves kept falling over, so I've just stuck a rock in there to keep them propped up. Now these will be kept in this area of my room, which gets early morning sunlight, and it also remains quite bright during the whole day. Alright, well it's 6 months later and let's take a look at the progress of this ZZ plant. Well, let's see here. The root system has just gone like really crazy, and it's got some bulbs growing underneath and all around. So that's pretty cool. So that's been really successful, but one of the most surprising things is this one here, this stem that I stuck in. Have a look. It's got like a new shoot popping up. I never expected that to happen, and it's got some roots there too. So I'm really amazed that that has actually happened. But let's check out these leaves that I stuck in. So, out of the 4 leaves, one of them has recently died. This one here, well, I don't know if it's like fully dead, but it could still sprout up and, well, who knows. But here's the other ones here. They're all doing pretty well. They all got root systems on them. They all seem to be surviving well. And yeah, so that's really amazing, growing out of the leaves. So that's the progress of those. Now there was something else I wanted to show you. In my garden outside, I actually planted one of the leaves in some dirt. So let's check out the progress of this plant here. See if it's got a root system. Oh, it actually had a pretty good one, I think. I might have broken some of it off, but yeah, have a look at that. So just growing it in some soil has worked as well. Awesome. Put that back. And by the way, this is the original plant that I cut it off. Look at the growth in just 6 months from before and after.
So there you go. It just goes to show you can pretty much grow anything just from a leaf or a stem, sticking it in water. Amazing stuff. Anyway, that's all today. I will have another video on growing plants in water coming up sometime soon, so keep your eyes open for that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.